How to promote your Amazon affiliate links using Pinterest.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to see how we can promote our Amazon affiliate links for this niche. And the niche of today is parenting and baby products. So you can just search for posts that are similar for this niche, parenting and baby products, and we can choose a post that will attract people. Then we go to Amazon.com and we search for a product that aligns with that niche. So we just search by department: electronics, computer, arts, craft, automotive, baby. So we go with baby products, parenting, activity, entertainment. Let's go with baby and toddler toys or baby care. So you choose baby care. And here we have a lot of products. So let's filter them by best sellers. So you filter by best sellers. And here we have a lot of best sellers products. So make sure to choose a product that's over $10 at least, something like this one. This one is pretty good. It's $40 per product, so it will leave us a very good commission. So we click on the product, and here we go to Pinterest and see if we can find something similar to this product or just a post that's going to go viral. And if you can't find any post that will suit us, we just go to TikTok and we search for a viral video about babies and stuff, and we take that video and we re-upload it on our Pinterest account. So let's try to search for this product. And if you can't find the product, we just settle for a viral video about related to the niche. So let's see if we can find the same product. So this is how our product looks, as we can see. I guess so. This is the same, I guess. Let's check it. So it's not in English language. Let's find someone with English language. This is similar to our product, but it's not the same as our product. So let's scroll down more until we will be able to find the product. So I'm going to pause the video and get back with you after I find a good video for promoting the product to save your time. So I found this video, so I'm going to take the link of that video, copy link, and then I'm going to go to this website where I can download the video without the watermark. So I'm just pasting the link and hit download, then click download, and it's downloading. It's already downloaded. It's a small video, and here I'm going to take, this is where I can get my affiliate link that will lead to this page. So I'm going to hit text and get the link, copy, and go to Pinterest, and here I can create my own post. So I'm just gonna click create new and drag this video and drop it here. It's uploading, and here we fill this information, add a title, then if you have a description, you write your description here, and here you leave your link, your Amazon affiliate link, and here you type as many tags as you can type, because tags will help making your post viral. So just check for baby tags first. Baby shower games, baby shower food, cute baby. So I think with the idea, guys, you just pick as many as you can, baby quotes. So make sure to pick as much tags as you can to make your video go viral and to make it show for more people. So the more people sees this post, the more percentage we will have for someone to click our link and proceed to this page to buy this product from the page, and we will get our commission. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you find it useful, but just to make clear, I don't advise you to run from niche to niche. I advise you to stick with one niche and keep uploading from 10 videos posts to 20 a day, and don't forget to leave your Amazon link in those posts, and keep consistent for at least a month. If you see no results at all, then you can change your niche. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends if you find it useful.